Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Tuesday, May 16th. Time is 8:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, my computer decides it wants to shut off every night now. I have no idea what's going on here. So, I really need to get this checked out because this is the life force of taking care of my family. So, Prince is not getting an accurate reading. So, what I'm thinking though, we are pushing up. It's been just kind of channeling overnight. I think we're going to get up here, test this high around the 5 deviation line. And let's see what we got, 17 minutes left here. We'll probably get up here, test it, and then possibly hit short. So we got a cluster here, but I wouldn't really count that as a cluster. I don't like the size of that. But this is sitting up right in an I zone as well from overnight. So ideally we'll push up to about 36 and I'll probably start looking for some type of reversal sequence around there. That's if it's not happening now. So, I'll keep an eye on it though. Wow, that came down real quick. Let's see here. I zone, push down. All right. What is this already? 8, 18, 08. That's a 20 tick move already. Whoa. All right. But I don't chase, so let me watch for a bit and we'll see if we can grab into it. Some type of short anyway. Let's see what we settle that off of. What is this? 50 period moving average on down. All right. I'll be back in a bit. All right, guys. We're going to do a little bit of scalping this morning. Long 10 contracts 49.10. Look to pull everything off at 49.20. And stop is going to be sitting at 49 even right now. Let me get all this set up. Limits. All right. So I'm thinking we're going to bounce off of the 50 here. But I still ultimately believe we're going to go short. So I think we got up here to the point of control, stalled out. I think it's going to test it one more time. If it breaches it, chances are we're going to run up here to the 5 deviation line and then do a turn. But I think we are safe to grab 10 ticks off of this long right here. And ultimately, I'd like to be a bear. All right, I'll be back. All right, I went ahead and closed that at 9 ticks, all 10 contracts. So I want to watch here and see what the bulls are going to do, see if we're going to actually push on up through the point of control or not. And paying attention over here to timing sales on level 2 as well. All right, let me watch and I'll be back. All right, guys, hop this one short. 10 contracts 49.26. Look to pull half off at 16. Stop is sitting at 36 right here off this deviation line at the moment. Still a chance it can push up here, but I like where I like the volume that has been coming in the price section is going kind of nuts. So we got an iceberg sitting up here at 49.34. So ideally, that's telling me that the big boys want to go ahead and start pushing this down right around the high. So that's my thought process. So we'll see how this all works out. All right, be back in just a bit. Okay, I went ahead and scratched this trade at +1. I think we're going to get a better feel up here, and I'm going to just wait for it to push up around the 34 or 36 area. Technically, there is a 9 and 19 box up here. Still kind of iffy on these prints. I mean, they're being pre-market, maybe, but that doesn't look like a solid cluster to me either. So, but I still think we're going to get a better feel up here. So I'm going to wait this one out and see what happens. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, guys, let me get you caught up real quick. Short 10 contracts, 49, 27. Back off of this bar right here. Big old battle going on in this area, but I'm seeing a lot of absorption going on by the bears here as well. So still not the massive prints that I like to see, but thinking we're going to get a break here coming up fairly quickly, hopefully anyway. Short 10 contracts, 49.27. Look to pull half off at 17. Stop sitting at 35. One tick above this current high for an 8-tick stop. And we'll see if we can work it from this point here. All right, be back in just a bit. Okay, got half off here at 17. I'm going to move my stop to... oh boy, let me see here. Can I come to break even yet? 30. I'm going to move my stop to 30. That's going to be a 3-tick stop. We're going to hide right behind this order of sellers back here at 29. So we'll see if we'll push down from this point. Okay, be back. All right, stopped here. And now I want to watch for just a bit. Now we reached up to the 36 or the 5 deviation line of 49.36. So see if I want to be able to grab some place in this area here. So let me watch for just a bit. All right, be back in just a minute. All right, man, that happened quick. Short 10 contracts, 49.32 right here. Half just came off at 22. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even at this point. So give me just a second. 32 is break even. There's that break. Come on, keep pushing. What I need to do, let me get that stop set first. Stop. I need to pull one off at 12 if I can get it here. Alright, came off at 11, so that is for 21 ticks. So that leaves me 4 contracts short, 49.32. And now, alright, we need to break through this 50 period average. Let's see if we're going to get hung up here again or not. I'm actually going to go ahead and pull one more off here as well. Alright, came off at 08 for, oh jeez, odd number math. 08, 32, 22, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 24 ticks. Alright, 24 ticks locked in, 3 contracts short, 49, 32. Okay, now what I want to see is a break through the 50 here, and where is my low? Okay, this is the value area low at 48.98. All right, if we can break that, then I think we got a smooth sail down from that point, maybe. All right, let me watch. So yeah, this stuff happened really quick. So let me go and make sure I'm seeing what I'm seeing. I'll be back in just a bit. Okay, this is interesting. A lot of volume just popped up in here. We got a sequence, and that lines up perfectly to bounce off of the value area low. And with this just being a big old channel, that is very possible to continue to head north. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually pull I'm gonna pull 2 contracts off at 49.02, and that will lock in 30 ticks. And I'm gonna let the last one ride if we can get these 2 off. But I'm gonna actually bring my stop one down to where we at now? 222. I'm gonna bring my stop on down to 22. Lock in 10 ticks here, Yeah, this one is, ideally I want to see it continue to push down, but with this print that just showed up saying the big boys might have other plans, and with stochastics being fairly in the middle right now, this could actually go either way. Still hanging around the VWAP as well, so a lot of volume building up here, and it probably will until some type of a big player come and pushes this, which is most likely what's going to happen. So just want to utilize risk management at this point and lock in what I've already gotten for this trade here. So, all right, we'll see what happens. Be back in a bit. All right, so I got to stop sitting at 22. Nobody's taking it just yet. What I think I want to do is switch directions for a third and final trade, and I just want to scalp that. So I'm going to see if somebody ends up taking my stop here. All right, there it goes. All right, out of this trade now, and what I think I want to do is take it long and just scalp it for 10 ticks as full 10 tick contracts. I'm a watch, but I'm thinking we're gonna keep push this back up again, and if I get 10 ticks, that's gonna actually hit me at a profit goal for the day. But I just want to make sure first, because I'm sitting pretty nice right now. All right, I'm gonna watch and I'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, long 10 contracts, 49.19, right here off the point of control right now. Look to pull 9 of them off at 29, and stop is sitting at 14 for a 5-tick stop right now. I think this might be it here. I'm pull a 9 instead of 10. 9's still going to put me at profit goal, but just in case that joker continues to run, I just want to trail it and just see what happens at that point. So let's see if we can get up here and get this 29. All right, we got to break through all these sellers. But if this bar closes, okay, it just closed above the 8 moving average, so I think we'll be okay here. Let me see here. What I need, actually I need 6 ticks to hit profit goal, but we'll leave it at 10 ticks just for confluence. Alright, be back in just a bit. Changed my mind. I was kind of greedy thinking. I'm going to see if I can pull it off at 25 for 6 ticks, 9 contracts. And at that point, I'll go ahead and move my stop to break even, and I will just let it all, I'll let the last part ride out here, and see if we can make something happen. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to 15. And that's going to be a 4-tick stop now. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, got that off there. For 6 ticks, 9 contracts came off. That leaves me 1 contract long, 49.19. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to break even. And we will let this ride. This is my last trade. Has had 3 successful trades, and we'll see what goes on here. Alright, be back in just a bit. Alright, stop there, guys. That's a wrap. I think that was, let me see here, 9, 24, 34, 3, somewhere around 40 ticks total. So I'm not going to count them up, but it's somewhere in that area. And I will take it for today. Pull it. If I could just do 3 successful 10 contract scalps, that actually puts me at goal. But I always like to just look for that one good trade and scale out from that point. So, but we'll take what the market gives us. So, all right, guys, that's a wrap. I won't be trading tomorrow. Well, let me take that back. if something happens in the morning before I go to class, then I'll grab that. More times than not, I don't trade Wednesdays. So we got inventories tomorrow. I'll take a look at tanker trackers and see if I can maybe set something up. Or I may trade from class again. Who knows? So, but I will be back on Thursday for sure, or hopefully, and looking to go forward from there. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one. We'll see you later. Bye.